Hi everyone, I'm Srivastava, and I'm going to show you how you can use Vertex AI to train and serve a TensorFlow model using code in a custom container. We'll be using a data set of technical specs of automobiles to build a model that can predict the fuel efficiency of late 1970s and early 1980s cars. You can find this data set on Kaggle. We must provide the model with descriptions of several automobiles from that time period. The description includes attributes like cylinders, displacement, horsepower, and weight. We're working mainly in a notebook, so think of this as an interactive web tool where you can combine code, computational output, text, and multimedia resources in a single home. So we've set up a container in here, a portable environment for working with our model. Don't worry, we have all the source code and instructions for you in a code lab to try this out at home. So now that everything's set up in here, let's train the job on the platform. I can go here to the Trainings tab, create new job, I'll name my demo, add a few other settings like our container URL and compute specs, and now it's off to the races. This one actually takes 10 to 15 minutes to train, so I ran a job ahead of time so we can test it out together. So now that it's trained, we deploy an endpoint and we can now use this back in our notebook. So now for the moment of truth. Let's predict a sample. I've added a cell down here with a sample case. So this is a set of attributes that we described earlier, but they've been normalized, which is why they don't look exactly like, say, a year or the weight of a car. I hit run, and we can see that an automobile with these values would give us approximately 16 miles per gallon. So to make this visual, I can use a lot of ready-to-go functionality to visualize my data down here. Use graphs and charts to share your findings with your friends. We hope we've inspired you to try working with your own data, or to recreate this demo, check out the links provided.